Today we are going to discuss about the strategies to revive the economy post COVID-19. So what is COVID-19? This COVID-19 is the biggest humanitarian health challenge across the world. This virus has been spread throughout the countries and the government is taking the serious steps to avoid this pandemic situation and to save the lives around the globe, to save the lives of the people across the globe. And measures have to be taken to face the world recession and boost the revival of the nation from the economic activities along with facing the pandemic situation. So impact of COVID-19 throughout the Indian economy is the biggest burden of the Indian government in this today scenario. One third of the world supply is made from China and 80% is drop in automotive industries, massive layoff, slowdown of sales, economic downturn, and the recession from 2001 to 2008 and now 2020 due to COVID-19. The India's growth has been reduced to 2.5% from 5%. So the gross domestic product has a cut to 1.3% from 3.3%. Subdued demand, supply shock, production slowdown, supply chain disruption is the present status of the world. India's agriculture contributes 60% to its gross domestic product, which is substantial due to labor problem and transportation problems. As there is no work for the laborers and there is full of the shutdown, no industries or factories or project managers are ready to give work for the laborers. So overall unemployment rates have been increased from 7% to 8% within 3 months in 2020. What is this coronavirus? How it is affecting the human peoples and also the well-developed countries all over the world. Coronavirus are a family of virus that cause illness such as respiratory diseases or gastrointestinal diseases. Respiratory diseases can range from common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East respiratory syndrome and a severe acute respiratory syndrome. The present status of Indian economy. India loses 32,000 crore every day due to lockdown. 53% of business have been affected due to lockdown. Travel, tourism, hotel industries are completely shut down due to pandemic. Large number of farmers are affected due to unavailability of proper marketplace and price crisis for the crops. And the unemployment rate has increased from 19% to 26% due to layoff employees. Rapid fall of 45% in venture funding in startup projects in India. Remarkable fall in stock market points over 4,000 points in April 2020. Post lockdown, the situation of industries are explained by McKinsey Company. As we see, the chart of the economic impact of COVID-19 in India will vary by sector. Airlines and hotel industries have come down from 70% to 75%, and auto and advanced industries have come down from 50 to 60%. Construction and real estate have came down up to 50%. Textiles up to 50% they have fallen. Freight and logistics from 40 to 45%. Metals and mining 35 to 40%. They are facing the recession situation. Oil and gas 20 to 25%, and for power 20 to 25%. Consumer and retail 20 to 25%. They are in loss situation. Chemicals from 15 to 20%, and agricultural 15%. IT services 10 to 15%. Pharmaceutical industry 10 to 15%, telecommunication 0 to 5%. So this is the present scenario of past lockdown continuous until now. The potential impact has been increasing day by day, and the government is in critical situation to face, and they are analyzing the strategies to recover the economy from this lockdown. So what are the strategies pointed out by the government to boost the economy post 19? Agricultural sector, service sector, e-commerce sector, health sector, and manufacturing sector. If we take the agricultural sector, what are the strategies to recover the agricultural sector during this COVID period 19? Loans to all small and medium sized farmers to develop agriculture should be given. Agricultural subsidies are dispersed throughout NABARD and Small Finance Corporation, providing market for the crops and margin prices. Benefit all the farmers who have registered through Kisan Svidka. Strategies for e-commerce sector. E-commerce sector has flattened its operation due to lockdown. Shift from non-essential goods to sale of essential goods has made the e-commerce platform to survive. Deliver the quality product through online is the main strategy. Strategies for manufacturing sector provide seed funding by the financial institutions, moratorium of loans payments, increasing investment through venture funding, reduction in tax reliance, providing working capital to MSCs units, providing wage subsidies for industries are the strategies to recover the manufacturing sector during this lockdown period. If we take the health sector is expected to increase at 18%. World-class facilities has to be provided at cheapest rate, and that is 5,000 crores to be invested in public health and sanitation. Strategies for service sector. Service sector has halted its operations since lockdown. 180 billion IT industries are huge challenges. Work from phone concept is going to prolong up to 2021. Encouragement is given for development of tourism, travel and hotels in the industry. Strategies to boost economies of post COVID-19. Provide ample liquidity to banks and NFPs by central government. Relax the dates of filing taxes. Government should start releasing the refund, rearrange the supply chain in the country, loosen the fiscal policies to revive the economy. Moratorium of loans to industrial sectors along with working capital disbursement. MSMEs requires more working capital to boost up the production. Reduction in tax compliance for the business organization, providing wages, subsidies, digitalized payment system, improvement in healthcare services. Increase the domestic demand for Indian products, encouragement of startups and upliftment of small-scale industries. Self-reliant Indian mission became the vocal for local products. PM Narendra Modi, change in FDI rules, no restriction on markets, alternative to China, attract the countries who wish to move out of China by providing 4,61,589 hectares of land in India. So the conclusion is it is the biggest economic crisis what the world is facing at present. India will recover fast at the earliest in comparison to countries as India highlights demand on imports. India will soon have a V-shaped recovery from its Make in India concept. Nothing is impossible until we take up the challenge and face it with bravery. Thank you from Dr. Purnima, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Mother Teresa Women's University. Thank you.